Everyone. Today I will be showing you how to connect to your new Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.1.1. So the first step is that you need to check if you're connected to your router. You can do that simply by clicking here on the right. And here, if you open your Wi-Fi settings, you can see I'm successfully connected to my TP-Link router. Now, I have to make sure that I'm connected to the right IP address. So here in the search bar, type in CMD for command prompt, click on it, and it will open. Now type in ipconfig. And here on the default gateway, you can see that your default IP address is 192.168.1.1. Now you can just copy that IP address, open your browser, and type in the IP address here. So I just copied it and now press enter. Here you can see the login page of your router. For TP-Link, the standard login and password is the same, and it's admin. So you can just type in admin, the same for the password, so admin, and press enter. And here is the main dashboard of your router. For example, if you want to change the IP address for any specific reason, you could go on the left menu, click on the network, click on the LAN, and here is your default IP address, which can be changed. Also on the left, you have different settings that you can access and change. And now, if any changes were saved, you can just log out of your router. So that's all for today. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.